In 3, 2, 1, and action.
My name is Rolando Okafo, and I'm from Enugu State. I came into Lagos State in search of my love, Annabelle Onyebuchi, and her family. I intend to attend her birthday today. But as I roam the streets of Lagos in search of my Annabelle, without a phone number or a house address, I was robbed. They took my money and all my personal belongings and threw me out of a moving keke. I was saved by Diola and her crew, and they brought me into this hospital. Annabelle, if you're listening, I've come for you as I promised.